What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can delete a workspace on Invideo AI. So let's get started. Also, if you guys want to save up on your subscription fees for Invideo AI, you can create a new account using the link below, and by using that link you will get 10% discount on your monthly subscription, and you will also get 14 days free trial. And now let's continue. So to delete a workspace on Invideo AI, you would need to log in into your account. Once you're logged in, you would just need to go in the upper right corner and click on your profile icon right here. From there, click on the settings tab right here. And on the settings section of the website, go ahead and click on the manage account option, the last option. From here, you will be able to see all of the workspaces that you currently have. So to delete a workspace, you would just need to click on the delete button right in the row of that workspace. So this is my workspace, and to delete it, I will just click delete right here. Then to confirm it, I will just click delete workspace once more. And there we go. Now the current workspace that I was on was deleted, and it was my only workspace, so I got this screen right here. But to create a new one, you would just need to click manage workspaces, and then you can restore this one if you want, or you can select another one that you have. But essentially guys, that's how you can delete a workspace on Invideo AI. Again, if you want to save up some money, you can click the description below and create a new account using that link. Thank you for watching.